Hello and welcome. I am Vishwajit Singh Gautam and you are seeing CBSE and CISE class videos 360 channel. Today we are going to solve the numericals of exercise 1G of number systems 8. First question is 8. First 4y 216 whole raised to the power minus 2y3 plus 1 upon 256 whole raised to the power minus 3y4 plus 2 upon 243 whole raised to the power minus 1 by 5. 4 upon 6. 216 is the cube of 6 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 256. 4 raised to the power 4 and 4 raised to the power 3 by 4 plus 2 upon 243 3 raised to the power 5 whole raised to the power minus 1 by 5. यह हम आफ्टर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन हम फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. यदि आपको डायरेक्ट नहीं आ रहा है तो हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. 4 6 पावर के ऊपर पावर देन मल्टीप्लाई minus 2/3 plus 1y 4 raised to the power minus 3y4 plus 2 3 raised to the power 5 into minus 1/5 and 4 raised to the power 6 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 3 plus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 1 and 4 into 6 raised to the power 2, 4 raised to the power 3 and minus 1, 2 into 3. 4 into 36 plus 4 cube 64 plus 2 3 is 6 and 4 into 36 144 and 64 plus 6 70 and 4 7 and 4 11 and 2 1 4. This is our answer. इसी टाइप से हम अदर न्यूमेरिकल्स को भी सॉल्व करेंगे. इस तरीके से ये सेकंड भी हो जाएगा, थर्ड भी हो जाएगा एंड फोर्थ भी हो जाएगा. सभी इसी प्रकार से होंगे. आई थिंक अब आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी इसमें. और यदि आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है तो प्लीज कमेंट मी एंड आई विल सॉल्व द अदर न्यूमेरिकल्स आल्सो. Ninth question. Ninth first. Evaluate 1 raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power 3 plus 3 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 1 by 2. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27 whole raised to the power 1 by 2. 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 7, 16, and 1, 36, whole raised to the power 1182, and 6 raised to the power 2, whole raised to the power 1 by 2, and 6 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 2, and 6 raised to the power 1 mean 6. This is our answer. Now we solve the third question of 9 is 9 third. What? 2 raised to the power 0 plus 7 raised to the power 0, 5 raised to the power 0. And or we know any number whose power is 0, whose value is 1, then उसकी value 1 होती है, जिसकी power 0 होती है, then 1, and this is 1, 1 plus 1 2, y 1 and 2. This is our answer. इसी टाइप से हम अदर न्यूमेरिकल्स को भी सॉल्व कर लेंगे. And 10th question. Prove that 8 raised to the power minus 2 by 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 25 raised to the power minus 5 by 4 divided by 32 whole raised to the power minus 2 by 5 into 1 by 125 power minus 5 by 6 equal to under root 2. So 10 first is 8 raised to the power minus 2y3 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 25 raised to the power minus 5 by 4 upon 32 minus 2 by 5 into 125 minus 5 by 6. ओके देन हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेके इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. सो 8 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power minus 2 by 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 5 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus 5 by 4 and 2 raised to the power 5 whole raised to the power minus 2 by 5 into 5 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 5 by 6 and power then 3 into minus 2 by 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 5 raised to the power 2 into minus 5 by 4. 2 raised to the power 5 into minus 2 by 5 into 5 raised to the power 3 into minus 5 by 6. So 2 raised to the power 3 से 3 cancel out minus 2 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 5 raised to the power minus 5 by 2. 2 to the 4. 2 raised to the power minus 2 into 5 raised to the power 3 to the 6 minus 5 by 2. And this is same. So this and this cancel out. 2 raised to the power minus 2 is also cancel out. What remain? 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 and this and This is under root 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. इसी टाइप से हम इसके अदर न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व कर लेंगे, सेकंड एंड थर्ड सिमिलर इसी टाइप से हम सॉल्व कर लेंगे. 11 question is simplify root 4 root 3 x square and express the result in the exponential form of x. So 4 and cube root x square x square cube root 4 raised to the power 1 by 4 x square whole raised to the power 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 x raised to the power 2 by 3 whole raised to the power 1 by 4 x raised to the power 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 x raised to the power 2 2 to the 4 2 3 the 6 x raised to the power 1 by 6. 12th question is simplify the product. Okay, cube root 2 into 4 root 2 into 12 root 32, then 2 raised to the power 1 by 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 into 2 raised to the power 5 and whole raised to the power 1 by 12. So 2 raised to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into 2 raised to the power 5 by 12. 2 raised to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12. 2 raised to the power, taking LCM, 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, and 12 1s are 12. So 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 by 12, then 2 raised to the power 1, then 2. This is our answer. And 13th question is simplify first. 15 raised to the power 1 by 3, 9 raised to the power 1 by 4 whole raised to the power minus 6, and 15 3 5s are 15, then 3 raised to the power 1 by 3 into 5 raised to the power 1 by 3 and 3 3 raised to the power 2 by 4 and whole raised to the power minus 6, and 3 raised to the power 1 by 3 and 5 5 raised to the power 1 by 3 and 3 raised to the power 1 by 2 equal 3 raised to the power 1 by 2 and 3 raised to the power 1 by 3 into 5 raised to the power 1 by 3 and whole raised to the power प्लस 6। जो -6 था वो +6 में चेंज हो जाएगा क्योंकि मैंने न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर में चेंज कर दिया। 3 raised to the power 6 by 2 and 3 raised to the power 6 by 3 into 5 raised to the power 6 by 3 and 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 2 3 raised to the power 3 minus 2 and 5 raised to the power 2 3 by 25। This is our answer. Okay, इसी टाइप से हम इसके 13 के अदर क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व कर लेंगे। 14 question, find the value of x in each of the following. First question is 5 root under root 5x plus 2 equal to 2. Taking power 5 both side. So 5x plus 2, 5 and 5, 2 raised to the power 5. 5x plus 2 is equal to 32. 5x is equal to 32 minus 2. 5x is equal to 30 and x is equal to 30 by 5. 5 6 are 30. If you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon button for more updates. Thank you very much and have a nice day.